Hello guys, and welcome once again to another YouTube video. So in this video, I'm going to break down a trade I took on gold at its all-time highs. For every pair you want to trade, start from the daily time frame. Use the daily time frame to find your buyers. So here I realized that price tagged a fair value gap with this down close candle and we closed over. So we formed a daily order block over here. I therefore expected the next candle to open, print its low to tag the order block, and then expand. So I marked a order block from body to body with my Fibonacci tool. And as a general rule, I do not expect the next candle to disrespect the 0.5 of the order block with body. If it does that, then it automatically means that that order block is not so strong. But if the next candle comes and then it respects the 0.5 or the upper half of this order block with its wick, then it means that this order block is strong. So I then went to the 4-hour chart, and on the 4-hour chart, I realized that when the 2 a.m. candle opened, we disrespected the zero point 0.5 of the daily order block, and we also disrespected a 4-hour fair value gap, therefore turning that bullish fair value gap into an inversing fair value gap. Now, how did I know that the 0.5 of this daily order block was going to get disrespected? Is because it got disrespected by a candle on the 4-hour time frame. And one thing you have to take note of is that the intermediate time frame candles combine to produce the daily time frame candles. So what is happening on the 4-hour time frame will automatically be translated to the daily time frame. So since I have this inversing fair value gap over here, I expected this 6 a.m. candle to be an expansion candle. Now you have to take note that the timings on gold when you're using forex.com, which I recommend that for anyone who is trading gold, use forex.com, don't use Wanda, is the timings are 2 a.m., 6 a.m., and then 10 a.m. So if you've been watching my other videos, I always say that we focus on 1 a.m., 5 a.m., and 9 a.m. It's the same thing, just that gold, the timings are 2 a.m., 6 a.m., and 10 a.m. So I expected this 6 a.m. candle to be a distribution candle. And how did I expect it to form? I wanted to open, tag the inversing fair value gap, and then distribute downwards to raid this 4-hour external range liquidity. I then went into the 1-hour time frame, and then I marked the opening of that 4-hour candle. So it started from here 6, and then it is going to end at 10. So if I expect a distribution candle from the 4-hour chart, then inside that window, the candles of that 4-hour window, I want it to raid a previous 1-hour high, since I'm expecting it to be a bearish candle, right? So I'll mark the window, and inside that window, the candles inside that window, I want that candle to raid a previous 1-hour high. So this candle could have raided this previous 1-hour high, or any of the candles over here can raid a previous 1-hour high. And I could see that here it's raided that previous 1-hour high and then tag that inversion fair value gap that I marked on the 4-hour chart. So I then went to the 5-minute time frame, and this was how it printed. Right now, I identified SMT, which confirms reversal. Right, I don't usually look for SMT, but when you see SMT, it's a bonus, right? And we also had a change in state of delivery. So I positioned myself over here, and then I targeted that external range liquidity on the 4-hour chart. Now, if you watch my previous video, which I am going to put the link over here, I said that you want your CISD to be a sharp movement in and out, right? And we could clearly see that this was a sharp movement in and out. It didn't consolidate on top. Do you get it? That was why I positioned myself, right? Now, one thing you have to take note of is that external range liquidity on the 4-hour charts is the same as previous daily highs and lows, right? And they are the easiest targets that you can target when you are trading, because price will easily get to them, right? So this is how I traded gold at its all-time highs. If you've enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also do well to watch the other videos on this channel.